I'm gonna have to do it this way because the other, I don't know what, my phone is not working. That's good. Yeah, everybody.
Be careful what you say, you're being recorded.
Yeah.
Oh, no, kidding.
Oh, that's good. That's better too.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
All right. So.
Así lo dije. Me quiso presentation. For financial aid,
No.
much better.
Okay. Thank you for coming, Matthew Carmen, to PLC. The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna establish norms, and so norms, I don't really like the word norms. It's more agreements. If we can come up with agreements in terms of how we're going to be expecting from each other for the next following meetings until we go over this protocol problem solving using data. So, what are some agreements that we all need to?
Well, we all should arrive on time.
Everybody okay with that? Okay. What else? Be respectful.
Yeah.
Huh?
Right.
What else? Anything else?
Stay focused.
Stay focused.
Well, on time should be more like respectful of time, just because we should arrive on time and really end on time.
On time. Respectful of time. Okay. Okay, respectful of time, be respectful, listen to each other's ideas, and stay focused. Anything?
Well, staying focused also relates to having an agenda.
Okay, just make sure we have an agenda or purpose. Anything else anybody wants to add? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on poster paper, and we're gonna have them every time when we meet. Okay. Okay, so here's the agenda for today's meeting. So we can pass that out. So what we're gonna do today is we're going to go ahead and look at data, and that data is gonna inform our decision. And this is actually from College Report 4. So this is from the grade that just got turned in. So right here, what we're gonna do is we're going to look at our data. And no, this is just the data from quarter 4. Okay. And so what we want to do is looking at this data. I don't want you to think about reasons yet. I want you to just come up with just observations. Just make observations on the data. So I'll give you like 30 seconds or a minute to do it individually, and then we'll share as a group.
The blue is the A's.
Yes. So it's A, B, C, D, F, and then Y. So the purple is the yes.
So it looks like the English department, or actually foreign language, but they're all saying
We're looking at focusing on our department.
just our, so you don't want to, okay.
Make
So
observations about our
just the
department.
math part, okay.
Yes. And remember that the line on the top is overall, right? Like the overall breakdown of the grades.
Well, we compared it with last time, if I remember, the F's were like about 50%. It's going down.
But
you
I'm
want, you want
just,
to compare
but
to that or not?
no, we just want to make observations on this one.
Okay, so, well, for example, right now, you can say that 33%, one-third of students are progressing on time. They have a C or higher. And you have 66% of the students that are new or they are falling behind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Over half.
Yeah.
Right?
Sometimes,
That's the disturbing number. Over half are not progressing.
Yeah.
Or they just, we got a bunch of newcomers recently that I know I gave a bunch of no marks, or we wrote a bunch of credits or something, because I did have a few no marks this time. Maybe not a huge amount, but that's a pretty big number of no marks there as far as the percentage. But I think we were writing credits and we had a big, decent sized orientation. Like my 10th period.
So
went up by
we're looking,
45%.
so we're looking at 1/3 making progress, you said, okay, and then
1/4 of it, well, it's actually like 40%.
40%
well, I
are
would say
40% with
progress. Then it's still better.
with adequate
progress.
progress.
Yeah.
33% adequate progress,
Because I'll be honest,
40%.
sometimes I don't know, but sometimes a no mark, kind of like an AP, like, because sometimes students might be here like couple
Not
weeks,
enough time.
Yeah.
no time,
Not enough time.
and yet we do test, so actually they're not progressing still. No mark is not just because of you. Yeah. So things are not progressing according to that.
So 40% for sure are getting decent F, so 40% for sure are not.
Not
Not-
enough hours.
right,
to
not
finish it
enough
in 12
hours,
weeks.
right? Because really, like, for the no marks, it should be if they're in your class enough time and you give them a grade, you should give them a grade.
Yeah,
And if
there's
they're
a test,
absent,
yeah.
a lot of you should get paid.
Well, that's what we were talking about. I was talking earlier with somebody, like, what is fair, or like, for example, how many weeks do they have to be in class so they can get a good grade?
But the thing is, they can make tests up. Though. I always tell them, if you pass the test and you've only been here for one test, you get an A.
No, I'm talking about a normal. What is a fair amount of time?
To me, it would be if they were here the whole time when you gave a test, so at least 2 weeks, right? But if they come like 1 week and they give a test, then that's not really fair.
Yeah.
Assessment, so for that's
No.
going to be 2 to
But
3
if
weeks.
they've been here for 2 weeks and they were absent one of the 2 weeks, that should be an F, right? Because it's your fault you
Oh,
didn't
they were
come.
absent, yes,
right?
exactly, yeah. They were
But I'll
enrolled.
be
Tested.
honest though.
Yes.
Honestly though, sometimes I don't want to, when they're just fresh at 2 weeks, I don't necessarily, if they pass the first test, I will give them a good grade, C or higher. But if they fail it, I'll give them a no mark. I don't want to rain on their
See,
parade
that's
because
what I'm talking
they just
about. I
started,
do
you
exactly
know?
the same thing.
So I try to make them feel super good or not bad.
Because I don't think it's fair that if they've been here 2 weeks and they fail the test, because after the test is to be reviewed, a lot of the review, and it's not fair that they have been here for 2 weeks and all you fail the test, but you be here for the amount of the test. So I do the same thing that I do.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I wait until the next report
Yeah.
for you no more. So I think that's one thing we have to talk about.
Yeah, we can probably establish
The
more
grades.
about when we give a no mark.
Okay, so for the purpose of going back to this, then we're going to say 66% of students are not making adequate progress then. Because then that includes the kids who are on the marks, right? Okay, any other observations that we make?
We have the least amount of days.
So math department, UA. Or even like the average, and the average is 24, we have like less than half the
And
average.
we have the most Fs. too.
We have, what, the average is 14, and we have double
Of Fs.
of S compared to the overall.
Almost.
Okay, so the next step is, so we see the data that is telling us that in terms of mathematics, we give you very few A's compared to the average, and then a lot of students are getting more than twice as many kids school-wide, correct? So now we're going to brainstorm some ideas of things that we can implement for the next quarter to see if we can change that data.
Well, I feel like part of the impact was, I had that family issue where I didn't test the Friday before winter break. And to be totally honest, then as soon as I got back, I tested, but I put it in semester 1's hours, so some of my grades might be actually skewed down because I didn't add the 15 hours I got on the test, because it would affect the person. So I do feel like,
was early.
yeah, like I think I inadvertently forgot to add the hours because I don't even know if I should give them those hours, but I am about trying to help them feel motivated, and there's all these pending hours from when it's gone. So I do feel like some of this data might be off a little because of my issues, and I have like a huge chunk of students. So
The root cause is that it was
It's not the data.
well, I just feel like we were always on the low side for all of that.
Yeah.
So the data's not.
I was gonna say that this is like not surprising because I think even since when we did last semester, it seems like
There were more A's
trend.
last semester than more percentage of A's because we all done Saturday schools. We were really on top of the Saturday schools making the test.
There were, and in terms of the department, there were more, but we're still like really low compared to school-wide. We're still like it's always less than half.
But I wonder if we can just Google data on math compared to English compared to whatever at any high school. I'm sure they give the fewest amount of
Thinking,
A's
how
at a
does this
comprehensive
match
high
with
school.
other
Like,
schools?
I don't feel like our goal
Math
should
is
be to
probably
be the
the
same
lowest.
amount of A's as.
I don't think our goal
Yeah.
should be that, but I think our goal should be we gotta look at what we're doing because this is not even remember this is not even content competency. This is how many hours they're getting, the rate that they're getting the hours.
Yeah.
So I think like this is something that we have to as a department reflect on and say, okay, so what other interventions or what other things we put as first quality instruction in the classroom, so that we can work towards getting more students to understand, right?
So
Okay.
motivators, for example.
Right. Mm-hmm.
And I know we keep talking about it, but one of the reasons is because we don't have a common rubric to grade or to give grade or a scale or grading scale for all the departments. Like, we do the same work, we get the same students, but look at the amount of A's that they
Language
for
arts.
language,
Mhm.
45%.
Well, it's the same teacher and it's the language is Spanish and about 90% they.
No, he said
Spanish.
language arts.
No, it's
no,
foreign
no,
language.
foreign
No, it's
language.
foreign
Foreign language,
language.
they
Half of
go
them are
to
getting A's.
30%. So we gotta see one thing we can do is when we keep saying this every year, we gotta meet at the department with them. See how they grade.
We have to have a school-wide grade discussion, but it would be like not peaceful.
Well,
Right.
Yeah, but he has a contract and literally every little box is so many hours, even if they do it in 5 minutes. No joke. Like, if they finish the contract in a month, they could get the credit. So it's that contract, which kind of was how it was for us way back in the day.
So I think that, I mean, for us, I think for the purpose of our PLC, we have to think about what can we do in the classroom because that's what we have to focus on. Like, there's some things that I'm sure that we can change in some ways that we can grow. So I think, like, right now, I wanna shift the conversation to what are the interventions we can have in our classroom? What are the
So what I
motivators
like-
that we can have?
What I like to do is, based on their performance in the class, I like to group them with students and pair them up with students that are high performers. So that way they can help them.
So heterogeneous.
I was actually thinking about that today because I have a really good student who helps a lot. I think people in the group, and then I thought, okay, so I gave the test today, so for next week, I'm gonna put other students who are struggling to kind of like change it up, and that now he can help this other student, and hopefully he can see a change that way.
Do we want to reward people that do that kind of support with hours or like I'm saying, if we're thinking outside the box.
Well, what I'm
Yeah.
doing, I'm trying to, but this is not necessarily has to be somebody who helps out. So I asked the students who wanted to be the team captain, and so their responsibility is to make sure they take attendance.
Oh, that's right.
And-
I like that.
And then it just happened to be that the team captains, for the most part, not all of them, but the ones who some of them, I would say about half of the ones who volunteer, they're pretty good. And so they're helping the other ones, but not in all the cases. Like if somebody volunteered, I give them the opportunity. So to get the extra hour, they have to be here for 10 days, no absences, and then they have to take attendance and make sure that their team is tasked. And so they get their 10 hours.
That's
a
great.
motivator
I'm-
to come every day.
Yeah, that's
for at least
actually,
the 2 weeks.
yeah, I know. I think I like that idea. Who wants to be facilitator? And one of the requirements are you're here every day and you're keeping your group on task and I'll give you an extra hour at the end of the week. I'll give you it at the end of the week. 6 hours a week instead of 5 or something. Yeah. I remember you did that. I like that idea. Just like kind of built-in way to get a bonus. And we do little bonus hours with our activities, quizzes, and Kahoot or whatever.